Good morning, students. Today we will discuss modern teaching. Teaching is the process of attending the to pupils' need, experience, and feeling, so that they learn particular things and go beyond the given. And teacher education program and its continuing professional development, a lot of time we devoted of the what of the teaching, what area should we cover, the and what resources do we need, and so on. Teaching can be divided in two categories: modern teaching and traditional teaching. In this class, we will discuss modern teaching. In this class, we will discuss what is modern teaching, why modern teaching is needed of a earth, characteristics of modern teaching, modern teaching method, space learning, flipped classroom, self-learning, gamification, crossover learning, collaborative learning, and advantage of modern teaching. At the last our video, we will discuss some MCQs related to our topic. Learning objective of this lecture: student will be able to comprehend the concept and define the meaning of modern teaching. Student will be able to analyze and understand the modern teaching. Student will be able to know the importance of modern teaching. The student will be able to comprehend the characteristics of modern teaching. The student will be able to know the types of modern teaching. What is modern teaching? The teaching method which focus more on teaching the student for improving their intellect behavior by using various new and innovative idea rather than making them recite the syllabus to clear the examination with the some old style in modern, sorry, and modern teaching in simple words. The new teaching method, which we call the modern teaching method, is more active based and center the learner mind, which involve them entirely into the process of learning. In the modern teaching method, curriculum, teaching, and planning are done keeping the learner as the primary target. In this way, learner actively participate in the whole process to build their knowledge and sharp their skills. This is also termed as a constructive approach. The mentor or a teacher only lead them, guide them to focus on the objective of the subject. This is all done by engaging in activity and by adopting innovative method, modern teaching method. In modern teaching method, student learning by doing theory. They involve in all type of activity to learn their concept and theory. Why modern teaching is need of a art? Education is the need of the hour as it create a literate society in the process of educating the society. Motivation and instruction are very crucial, and teachers, guide and administrator are responsible to motivate learner. The rate of literacy will be leveled up by providing education to most part of the society. With time being changed to extend, learner demand new techniques and method to gain knowledge, which specialize them to not only in theoretical study but ensure them to provide practical knowledge, sharp their skills, and make them educated to face any kind of challenges. Modern teaching method are the only way to meet the requirement of the modern time. Relevance of modern teaching: moving from reciting and memorizing to experiment and experiencing. Concept of innovation. Now we will discuss some characteristics of modern teaching. The modern teaching method help to build or develop a productive understanding of basic science and technology. In short form, we can say BST. Hence, the element of contemporary teaching method include: first one is learner center. Of the essential characteristics of modern teaching method in basic science and technology is the learner center. It focuses on the learner while using or applying during classroom and laboratory lecture. The teacher act only as a guide, as a facilitator, as a philosopher, and all the learning process involve learner. Learner significantly appear as a dominator in the classroom interaction. Task based or activity based. The teacher or guide of BST organize activity or task as engaging a student to learn through this way. Hence, it is an active based or commission based. Students are offered to asked to take part in a classroom interaction through this interactive activity. Resource based. BST teaching should be resourceful. They should collect and distribute all the required study material to the learner for their learning or to understand the topic clearly. The resources can be collected from the school environment or any other place where is available. Also, learner can be sure to bring study material or resources from their end. So, modern teaching provide all resources to student related to his or her curriculum. Resources should be provided by the school administrator, your teacher. Interactive in nature. One most important characteristics of modern teaching is uh, define the modern teaching method as very interactive. The teacher asks the student to from small group or work as individual to perform the learning task and come up with the desired result. It helps them to gather knowledge from one another. Students learn to work together and sense of corporation. It also work in their favor when they step out in outer world. And uh, in modern teaching, students communicate with each other. They share their knowledge with each other, so they can understand at the uh, with at their level. They can choose their resources according to their interest, their ability, and their peer group. Interrogative in nature. One of the vital characteristics of modern teaching method is it is interrogative. Teacher link topic of one subject. Example of social science topic link drug uses, domestic violence, safety, population, food distribution, crime, etc. to other issue and make it interrogative. By this is a learner can gain knowledge of more topic studying one. Also, teacher correlated with one subject topic to another subject topic, so they can easily understand the whole concept, the whole thing of the syllabus. Peer collaboration. Modern teaching method not only encourage students by allow them to present their idea or initiative by noticing their responses, studying their researches and allowing them to answer during interaction in BST class, but also select student based on the interest, need, and feeling. Through instructional activities, students learn to work uh, corporatively and they appreciate their competitor work as well. In BST curriculum, learner interest and consider most important, and they are guided towards their goal and career. Now we will discuss some modern teaching method. Education has evolved drastically over the period. Earlier teachers were the only means to create a bridge between the education and learner. They were using conventional pedagogical method to explain the topic or to provide notes. The modern teaching education see a vast scenario which encourages learner to study productful and study to satisfy their curiosity. In recent year, we are getting introduced with different modern teaching method and introduction of technology along with innovative ways to teach has brought a revolution in the education sector. So let's discuss which new teaching method are. Space learning. First one is space learning. Space learning is one of the modern teaching method which is being followed by teacher. In this method, teacher repeat a lesson multiple times, basically until the student understand entirely. However, the student teacher repeat the course with 2 10 times space break in between the lesson. So in space learning, teacher repeat the lecture. The gap is meant to refresh the mind by playing physical activity or mindfulness technique which prepare them for next session of the same lesson. This method give the student an interactive to inherit the knowledge edges and create concept between learning. Before moving forward to another chapter, this method repeat the student with basics. It is truly define a prop that a healthy mind in is a healthy body. So the physical state of the student should be sufficient to the growth of mental state, which is crucial to gain knowledge. Speed learning also has scope to reduce obesity in the school going children with the can be which can be seen more nowadays. It improve both mental and physical health of the student. So this technique is uh, very useful for children. So this technique mm, uh, in this technique teacher repeat lesson multiple times, basically uh, until the student understand entirely. Second one is flipped classroom. Flipped classroom is a well-known term in the pedagogical method. We have know about this undoubtedly. Its name flipped classroom make it unique, and it is one of very vital modern teaching method that has been be used these nowadays. In this method teaching that the teaching procedure takes place in the flipped manner. Unlike a traditional way, students study new material or content at home by themselves and practice in the uh, practice the same at school. The method is reverse of providing content at the school and ask a student to rework on it or practice it at home. The student practice this method at home by watching video, uh, uh, tutorial, search online, or work on the content usually shared by the teacher. They do not need to complete the homework at home. Instead, they end it at school. So, in this method, uh, they some work is done in in his classroom, and remaining work or related to work done by student at home, but they are doing their work with the guidance of the teacher. The teacher providing some video lecture or some link to search on Google. Throughout the practice of flipped classroom modern teaching method, students get enough time to grasp the topic, unlike school where they get only a few minutes of to understand the content. If the necessary, they can work more uh, on one issue. The students prepare themselves with the content before arriving in school, and if they face any doubt, they can discuss in the classroom or ask the to concerned teacher. They can also suggest their idea related to the content and share it with other classmates. Moreover, there is another advantage of this modern teaching method, that student would not have to suffer due to their sicknesses. 6 days won't interrupt their learning. Next, self-learning. Curiosity purpose the learner to learn new and more. Always it drives the learner to learn and memorize large space of the text. They will either miss gratefully or forget immediately. Through their curiosity, students get motivate, explore the subject they are very interested in. Teaching a student to operate the internet and find result themselves help to them to self-dependent and give them a deep understanding of the content. A teacher should allow the student to bring new idea and work on it for the development of their brain and ability to work alone. This modern teaching method plays a significant role in learner period of the education. Self-learning always depend on the motivation. So motivation, so motivate your student so they can learn, they can explore, or they can share their knowledge with their peer group. Gamification is generally used in primary or elementary schools, but when we change some kind of mm, game in higher class, it is also used in higher class. uh, it is a well-known fact that the children love game, either it is online game or playing game at the field. Teaching through games is one of the essential modern teaching method that has been in the use under modern teaching ways. The significance of gamification in teaching has mostly been seen in the elementary or preschool system. Learning through playing games won't be even realized by student. It motivates student as well as and prove effective not only to student of preschool but of any age. The responsibility of teaching through gamification is of the teacher, as they should plan or design project that will be suitable for the student of their respective age. They should be incorporate attractive uh, measures to connect the student for a longer time and keep their interest alive. Teacher can also take help of the online platform under gamification. Teacher can also organize online quiz, puzzle, or brain game. This modern teaching method is a fun learning uh, method to teach. VAK teaching. VAK is a modern teaching method whose effects can be seen clearly. We divide learner into three categories: uh, visual, audio, and movement. One need to recognize to which category they belong to, or to the teacher must know to the which category her student related to. In VAK, V is visual, means seeing the data. A is audio, means gathering information by hearing the data. And K is King's, the tick, means feeling the data. A teacher should keep the category of the student in the kind of while teaching, because some of the student catch the information by seeing, by hearing, or feeling. So they should present the same matter material in different way. And we also know, whenever we use our maximum senses, we can uh, memorize, we can retain information longer time in our mind. The the VK teaching method was introduced in 1920 to help children with the dyslexia. However, its impact is modern effective, more effective in the modern teaching era. In this time of the internet, watching and learning through videos has been become a popular new medium of teaching. Students grab fast when they see, hear, and feel instant of the reading the material. And also, a learner is not limited to any one of the medias, as they can use even all three medium of instructions. So crossover learning, uh, the not so common modern teaching method is crossover learning, which uses uh, both formal and informal teaching and learning environment. It is one of the perfect way to give the best education to learner. Crossover learning effectively engage learner and provide authentic yet innovative result. A formal setting is a traditional setting, is that a classroom to provide education, while the informal environment of the teaching is major museum, seminar, and after the school plays. School and college teach with content, study material, and use everyday experiences and add knowledge. One of the other hand, informal learning generate curiosity and interest, increase understanding by asking question to their teacher. Uh, the teacher should introduce new queries or questions in the formal setting and answer for the which a student should try to find in a informal setting, such as by the exploring that the question uh, on the museum visit. The teacher can take notes or collect picture as their data and produce them as the information. Once they back in the classroom, they can also share, collect information with other classmates and discuss it for the better result. Collaborative learning. Earlier, when a student were asked to uh, revise the topic or syllabus during examination or the regular days, they used to revise the syllabus in isolation or at home. This practice was widespread in traditional teaching method. To lead with the issue or provide more useful platform for students, schools are coming up with collaborative learning. It is the modern teaching method. Teacher form a group of student. They can also solve their problem, debate on the topic, and clear their queries. This help in depending on social skills and allow student to understand the subject matter faster. In this modern teaching method, every student is a part of success of group as they help each other to reach the desired result, and they also learn communicate with each other. Learner learn to tolerate other, develop skill to listen to other and how to work in a team. They will also able to meet different personalities and can get genuine review of their work. Students present their ideas and expect a, a response when they are in a group learning. It allows them to exchange their creativity and gain more knowledge. It return and help to learn the face healthy criticism and cross question. In collaborative learning, teacher make a small group. Group should be uh, equal level of the student. It means according to the student interest, ability, and their capability. So teacher play more important role in collaborative learning for making the peer group. Now we will discuss some advantage of modern teaching method along with the upgrade made to the student educational system. The phases of teaching is to witnessing transformation in the 21st century. Before we implement the modern teaching technique, it is essential to know more about the advantage and benefit they bring to our system. Therefore, it make the maximum utilization of the service possible at minimum cost. We can take look at some of these significant advantage of modern teaching. Cognitive thinking skills, bringing professional content into life, exploring thing, developing unique pattern of learning, application based skills, learning relevantly to the increasing need. Cognitive skills. Cognitive skills or cognitive ability are the way that our brain remembers, uh, reasons, hold attention, solve problem, think, thinks, reads, and learns. Our cognitive ability help you process new information by taking that information and distributing into the appropriate area in the our brain. When we need that information later, our brain also uses cognitive skill to retrieve and use that information. By developing cognitive skill, you help your brain complete this process more quickly and effectively, and you ensure that you understand and effectively process that new information. Bringing professional content into the life. The brain has amazing ability to change and improve itself. Big brain development occurs in the early year 0 to by the birth to 3, and again between the age of 12 and 24. We now we now know that the human also have the ability to continue to improve brain function throughout the life. The the part of the brain that is a key to reasoning, problem solving, comparisоning, impulse control, creativity, and pre perseverance is the prefrontal context. These function called exclusive function are needed when we have to focus and think mentally play with ideas, use our short term working memory and thinking before reacting in the any situation. Exploring thing Exploring new thing means understanding the world and people. Suppose you are going to visit new place, it is completely different from the environment in which you lives in. The culture is quite different from that of your, so you are watching the activity and taking to different people with frankly manner and taking about your culture and place people, so on the on then you are creating a mutual understanding and gradually developing your network. This is called exploring new things and adapting them on into on self. Developing unique pattern of learning. Learning is the process by which one acquire interest and store or accept information. The main characteristics of learning, that is, it is a process of obtaining knowledge to change human behavior through interaction, practice, and experiences. Most academic essay have an overall structure, interaction, and leading to the thesis. Body conclusion. Easy also have topic, sentence, and a unit of support that constitute the body, and these topics sentences the unit of support need to be ordered logically in the way that appropriate to the essay thesis. In addition to the concept of the thesis, inducting a journal logical order for the support, there are actually many different ways to think about and organize information in the body of an essay using different pattern of development. This pattern referred to academically re, rhetorical modes. Memory is the way in which human think about their words and organize their thought in order to communicate. Application based scale. The application level is where the student move beyond basic competency in the order to being to apply what they have learned. The students are expected to use concept or tool they have learned in new situation in order to show that they have can use what they have learned in increasing learn in increasing complex way. Thus, use Bloom taxonomy in planning can help you to move the student through the different level of cognitive development. When planning learner outcomes, teachers should reflect on the different levels of the learning. Learning increasing when a student are introduced to cross the concept and then given opportunity to practice applying them. When the student applying an abstract idea to the concrete situation to solve a problem or related to it to the prior experience, they are showing their level of proficiency at this level. Learning relevantly to the increasing need. Relevant learning means effective learning, and that alone should be engaged enough. Sorry, that alone should be enough to uh, get use rethinking our lesson plan. The old drill and kill method is a numerological unless as it turns out relevant, meaningful activities that both ages, student emotionally and concerned with the concern uh, connect with what they already know and or what help build neuro connection and long term memory storage. The modern teaching system does not entirely really on soon feeling techniques, which used to be part of the ordinary teaching system. The current method are widely to develop the cognitive thinking skills of the children, which in term of the standard teaching system out of the questions. The cognitive skills can be expanded as the primary skill associated with the function of the brain. From the ability to read, the ability to learn and memorize are the part of the cognitive skill, which is lay concern to the brain. A strong cognitive skills of the student reflect in their decision making and problem analytical skills contribute to the IQ growth and also plays useful role in improving memory power. These are the references you should use for further studies. Now times of MCQs. You send your answer in my comment box. And teaching experience member guide the immature ones for option A, spending time, qualification, quality of the life, adjustment of the life. Choose appropriate answer. MCQs 2, which is not the focal point of triangle process of teaching. Teaching method, teacher, pupil, and content. You have 4 options. Choose appropriate options. MCQs number 3. The modern teaching method is based on teaching method, teacher, actively, and learner center. D is content. The goal of teaching is to give information. Option A. Option B, to involve pupil in activity. Option C, to improve, to impart knowledge. Option 2, desirable change in behavior. MCQs number 5. The rule of presenting the content to make them easy are called uh, option A, method of teaching. Option B, maximize of teaching. Option C, technique of teaching. Option D, teaching strategy. MCQs number 6. What are the characteristics of modern teaching? Option A, learner center. Option B, activity based. Option C, both A and B. Option D, system to or system of the observer learning output. MCQs number 7. What are the advantage of modern teaching? Cognitive thinking skills, bridging preformal context in life, exploring thing. Option C. Option D, all above the above. MCQs number 8. What is the collaborative learning? Option A technique of inquiry based learning. Option B, an educational approach which aim to organize classroom activity into academic and social learning experience. Option C, means to instructing where the teacher uh, actively involve the student in their learning process. Option D, a method of teaching in which content, instruction, technology, and piece of learning are based upon the ability and uh, interest of each other. Choose appropriate answer and send me in my comment box. Thank you, student. You listen me carefully, patiently. Thank you. Have a good day.